Very good. Next.
This is hairs.
How many hairs do you have, Rishu?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Huh. How many?
मम्मा तो बहुत सारे काउंट नहीं हो रहे.
Yes, hairs are uncountable. ये ना काउंट नहीं होते हैं.
अच्छा नहीं काउंट होते. मुझे
हाँ.
तो लगा कि काउंट होते.
नहीं होते. Next body part.
This is forehead. This is eyebrow. Eyes.
How many eyes do you have?
1 and 2.
2.
Ears.
How many ears do you have?
2. Nose.
How many nose do you have?
1.
1. Okay, next body part. Where is your lip?
Lip. Chin. Neck. Teeth.
How many teeth do you have?
1, 2, 20.
Where is your tongue? Show me your tongue. Next body part.
This is chest. This is stomach. This is navel.
Very good. Where is your hand? Hands. Show me your hands. How many hands do you have?
2.
2 hands. Okay. Show me your fingers. 10 fingers. Where is your elbow?
Elbow.
Elbow. Where is your elbow? Very good. Armpit. Your shoulders कहाँ आपके? How many shoulders do you have?
2.
2. Okay. Watch कहाँ पहनते हो? Very good.
रिस्ट में.
Palm.
मैंने रिस्ट में तो मोतू भी पहना है.
हाँ, very good. Where's your palm? Very good.
पाम से और फिंगर से हम क्लैपिंग कर सकते हैं.
Yes, very good. Back. Very good. Hand से बताओ. पीछे घूम के hand से बताओ. Very good. Thumb. Very good. Leg. Show me your leg. Knee. Very good. Heel. Show me your heel. Very good. Ankle. Turn and show. Very good. Feet. Very good. Toe fingers.
Two fingers.
Yes.
Bye bye. See you next video.